later date. That is what Ceteris Paribus is about. So for economists, whenever they want to simplify theories, they use Ceteris Paribus, all things being equal. So if all things are equal, then we are focused on one variable. All things being equal, we are focused on that. So there's a variable, there's a fixed, there's a constant. There's a fixed factor, there's a variable factor. So if we have to use the fixed factor, the variable factors remains the same. If we have to talk about the variable factors, the fixed factor remains the same. That is the concept of Ceteris Paribus. Is it clear? So what we are saying again, I'm going to summarize. For assumptions and Ceteris Paribus, scientists, they use assumptions when they have to simplify models and theories. And when we talk about models, we are talking about arithmetic representation of theories. And when we talk about theories themselves, theories are information that we've gathered that became true, that is generally accepted by the universe. These are what we call theories. So assumptions, we talk about how to simplify theories. And for economists, they use Ceteris Paribus whenever they need to decide or they need to simplify their theory. So all things being equal, that is what Ceteris Paribus is. So they make the example of demand here. For demand, what they are talking about demand is that demand will change. But there are different things that changes demand. There are price factors that change. There's a price factor that changes demand, and there are non-pricing factors that can change demand, like income, like fashion and taste, like availability of substitutes, and so on. All these things will change demand. So when we are focused on pricing factor, which will contract or expand demand, we will use Ceteris Paribus to talk about non-pricing factors remaining the same. And when we have to talk about non-pricing factors that affect demand, that will make demand to shift to the right or to the left, all things being equal, price remains the same. So Ceteris Paribus meaning that all things being equal. So for fixed, when we are focused on fixed, variable factors remain the same. When you are focused on variable factors, fixed factors remains the same. That is what Ceteris Paribus is.